I'm Sarah Margaret Gibson, and I'm a classical realist painter. I specialize in commissioned portraits, portraits of birds, and still lifes. My works are widely exhibited in both the UK and the US, including the permanent collections of the New Salem Museum of Art and the New Britain Museum of American Art in the States. Painting from life, without the use of modern technology, is very important to me. I believe that art should strive to convey the beauty of its subjects. I always try to paint birds in an intimate, quiet moment, but always as if they're about to fly off the canvas, doing this through the language of light, form, color, and rhythm. Some people say that the classical style of painting is outdated, but I would argue that it's just as relevant today as it has been at any point in the past. In this Domestika course, you will learn the fundamentals of drawing and oil painting, and then how to apply them to naturalistic bird portraiture. For your final project, you'll be creating a realistic portrait of a bird, working in a tenebris style. First, I'll discuss the materials we'll be using throughout the course, and then introduce you to sight size technique. I'll take you through the fundamentals of drawing, including proportions, light and shadow pattern, values, and rendering. I'll take you through the process of color mixing, and then we can jump right in. We'll create a monochromatic underpainting to start, then we'll establish our full value range and block in the colors of the bird. We will fill in the background, balancing direct observation with more aesthetic considerations for the composition. Finally, we'll add in all the impastos while adding selective details and finessing edges. This will give our bird a sense of form, life, and nuance, while establishing a sense of focus within the painting. I'll show you how to varnish your painting to ensure its longevity, and then I'll show you how to photograph the painting to share on social media. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create a vivid portrait of whatever bird species you like. To follow my lessons, some of what you'll need are a set of oil paints, linseed oil and turpentine, a palette, brushes, linen, and an easel. Learn how to paint from nature with me and watch your bird come alive on the canvas.